Hello cuties, a very fine morning to all. How are you? How are you students? Good or bad? I hope you are good, isn't? Okay, so welcome back to English online class. So in the last class we have completed lesson 1 from Echo book, isn't ma? Okay, so today we can go to new pathway, okay? New pathway. So I have not shown your book in the last class itself. Is it? Okay, so see ma, this is a new pathway book, okay? This is a new pathway book. So in this book there is many stories and many poems. Okay ma? So this is your new pathway book. So we have completed lesson 1 from new pathways in. So can you say what is the title of the lesson? What is the title of lesson 1 ma? From new pathway. Yeah, Tansen the magical musician, is it? Okay, so we have learned some of the characters from that lesson. So the first character is, yeah, Tansen. He was the hero of the story and he was one of the, yeah, famous musician, okay? And the second character is Mugand Mishra. Mugand Mishra. So who was he? Who was he, ma? Yeah, he was the father of Tansen and he was one of the wealthy poet, is it? So the third character is Muhammad Ghias, isn't ma? Yeah, Muhammad Ghias. So he was the second music teacher of Tansen and he was the saint. So what is the meaning of saint, students? What is the meaning of saint? Yeah, saint means so those who are giving blessings to others, okay? So those who are giving blessings to others, we will call them as a saint, isn't ma? Okay, next character. Who is the next character, ma? Haridas? Yeah, Haridas, is it? So Haridas is the first music teacher of this Tansen, is it? And the next character is Akbar. So who is this Akbar? Who is this Akbar, ma? Akbar is the emperor of India, isn't it? Akbar is the emperor of India and there is one of the king, isn't ma? There is one of the king. So what is the king name? The king of Reva. Yeah, Ramachandra, isn't it? So the king name is Ramachandra and the last character, one of the female character is Ruba. So who is this Ruba? Ruba is the female character. Ruba is the student of Haridas. So she sang the Meghraga, is it? Yeah, she sang the Meghraga. So I hope you are thorough in lesson 1, is it? You have completed the notes and some students have got correction from me, is it? So in the last Saturday you came and you got correction from me, isn't ma? Okay, so some students didn't complete your homework. Just you have written the question and you have kept it. Isn't so that okay? Please complete the homework. Those who didn't complete, please complete the homework and you can come and submit it in the next Saturday, okay? So next those who are not came on last Saturday, please okay complete your note and come in the next time and please get correction, okay ma? Okay, so another one thing. So I have told you to keep 2 booklets, isn't ma? 2 separate English booklet. One booklet is for homework booklet and other booklet is for English classwork booklet. So some of the students have written everything in one booklet. Okay, that means so character list also in one booklet and your notes, study notes also in one booklet and your homework also in one booklet. So you avoid that thing and please separate 2 English note. Okay? 2 separate note for English and add a homework list in homework note and add your study list in classwork note. Okay ma? Okay. So today shall we go to new class? Okay. So today we are going to learn lesson 2 from new pathway book. Okay. So lesson 2 from new pathway book. So students, have you got book from the school? Have you got your book from the school? Those who didn't buy, please get it soon, okay ma? Then only you will find very easy to learn, okay? So please buy your book and start studying, okay? So today you listen the lesson 2 from New Pathway. Okay. So the title of the lesson is Bambi. Okay, Bambi. B-A-M-B-I. Bambi. Okay. B-A-M-B-I. Bambi. So students, this is the title. Okay. So very small word is in Bambi. So can you guess what is mean by Bambi? What is mean by Bambi, students? B-A-M-B-I. What is mean by Bambi? Can you guess anything? So whether it is a name? Whether it is a name? Yeah, it is a name of one person. Sinma, it is a name of one person. So it is a name of one person. One person is the name of one person. So from this title itself, you have understood that you are going to study one person named Bambi. Okay, you are going to study one person named Bambi. So what is the spelling of Bambi? Yeah, B-A-M-B-I. Okay, Bambi. B-A-M-B-I. Bambi. Okay, so we are going to study one person. So that person name is Bambi. Okay, ma. So who is the person? That we can see in the character list and we can see in the story. Okay. So this story is written by. Okay. So this story is written by Felix Salten. Okay. So the author of this story is Felix Salten. Felix Salten. See, look at the spelling, students. F-E-L-I-X. Felix Salten. S-A-L-T-O-N. Okay, Felix Salten. So the Bambi was written by Felix Salten. Okay, ma. So today in this class, only we are going to study a author's introduction. Only a small introduction about author, and we are going to study a character from the story. Okay, ma. So the story we can continue in the next class. I will explain in the next class. Okay. So today we are going to study the author of the story and we are going to study the character from the story. Okay. So are you ready to learn? Are you ready to learn, students? Are you happy? Okay. So please, okay, take your homework booklet with you. Have you took your homework booklet? Take your English homework booklet, ma. Have you took? Is that no? Okay, I will count up to 10. Those who didn't take, please take your homework booklet and take your pencil, rubber, everything. Okay? So, I am going to start to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have you took, ma? Okay, so now you open on page and put lesson 2. Have you put? If you want to write a book named New Pathway, you write it and put today's date and put lesson 2, ma. Have you put? Okay, so next, write a topic name, write the title of the story. What is the title of the story? Yeah, Bambi. So you can write the title of the story in a homework booklet. B-A-M-B-I. Okay, Bambi. Have you wrote? B-A-M-B-I. Bambi. Okay, so the author of the story is Felix Salten. Felix Salten. So you write Felix Salten also. F-E-L-I-X. Felix Salten. S-A-L-T-O-N. Salten. F-E-L-I-X. Felix Salten. S-A-L-T-O-N. Salten. Have you completed? Okay, now you are going to see just some of the short introduction about this man, Felix Salten. Okay, so he was an Australian novelist. Okay, he was an Australian. Okay, so you know this man belongs to Australia. Okay, he was an Australian novelist journalist. 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 Okay, ma. So this Felix Salten was an Australian novelist. So what is mean by novel, student? What is mean by novel? Novel means one big story. Okay, so novelist. And he was a journalist. What is mean by journalist? What is mean by journalist? Journalist means those who writes for newspaper, those who writes for magazine. Is it, ma? Okay, so that person we will call them as a journalist. Okay, so this Felix Salten was an Australia. He belongs to Australia and he was one of the novelists and journalists. Okay, next, okay, this man born on September 6 in the year 1864. Okay, so you also have the birth date, isn't ma? Everyone have the birth date, isn't? So like that, this Felix Salten also, when did this Felix Salten born? Yeah, he born on September 6 in the year 1864. Okay, ma. So he was, okay, his one of the famous book is Bambi. Okay, so Bambi. So Bambi is our title, isn't ma? So this is one of the famous book. Okay, ma. This is one of the famous book of this Felix Salten. Okay, so that only we are going to. Okay, so we are going to study the story Bambi. Okay, so Bambi is one of the famous book of Felix Salten. Okay, so in this book, he told a story. Okay, he told a story of person named Deer. Okay, so he told a story. Okay, Bambi is the story of life of a wild deer. Okay, so it is the story of a wild deer. Okay, ma. Story of a wild deer. Okay, so Bambi is the story of a wild deer. Have you understood? So in this story Bambi, what we are going to study? Yeah, we are going to study a life of one of the deer. Okay, the deer is an young deer. Young deer means, yeah, it is an adult stage. Okay, it is an adult stage. So that, okay, wild deer we are going to study in the story Bambi. Okay, so these are the small introduction about Felix Salten. Okay, ma. Felix Salten. So shall I repeat it once? Okay, so Bambi, the title of our lesson 2 is Bambi. So the author of the lesson is Bambi is Felix Salten. Okay, Felix Salten. So this man was an Australian novelist and a journalist. So I explained what is meant by novelist and what is meant by journalist, isn't ma? So what is novel? A novel is a big story and journalist means a person who writes something for newspaper and person who writes for magazine. Also such person we will call them as a journalist. Okay. Okay. So he was born on, Felix Salten was born on September 6 in the year 1864. 1864. Okay. So one of his famous book is Bambi. Okay, B-A-M-B, Bambi. So this Bambi is the story of one of the wild deer. Okay, Bambi is the story of one of the wild deer. So have you understood, ma? So just you copied it in the homework booklet, ma. Copy it. Australian novelist and a journalist. Okay, so you copied this. And okay, he was born on September 6, 1864. Who? Yeah, Felix Salten. Okay, Felix Salten was born on September 6, 1864. Okay, so his famous work is Bambi. So Bambi is the story of a wild deer. Have you wrote? Okay, so okay, these are the introduction about the author. Okay, so now we can go to characters. Okay, now we can go to characters. So character. So in the last lesson, the lesson 1, Tansen the magical musician. So how many characters we have learnt? How many characters we have learnt? Yeah, we have learnt 7 characters, isn't that? Means 6 male characters and only 1 female character. So in the story Bambi, there is 4 characters. Okay, so there is 4 characters. So first character is Bambi, B-A-M-B-I. Okay, students, you can copy it in your booklet. You put characters, okay, put a heading characters and copy Bambi, B-A-M-B-I, Bambi. So from this, okay, word itself you can understand Bambi. So the title also Bambi, isn't? Yeah, the title of the lesson also Bambi. So this first character name also Bambi. Okay, so from this what can you guess, ma? From this what did you understand? Yeah, good. This Bambi is a hero of the story. So in the last lesson, Tansen is the hero, see? So like that, in this lesson, Bambi is the hero of the story, okay? So this Bambi is a wild deer, okay, ma? A roe deer. Roe means it is a male deer, okay? Male means, you know, it is a boy. Yeah, male deer, okay, ma? Yeah, so this Bambi is deer, D-E-E-R, deer, okay? So it is the hero of the story and it is one of a roe deer. Have you understood? Have you understood, ma? Okay, next, second characters. Next, second character is feline, F-A-L-I-N-E, feline, okay? F-A-L-I-N-E, feline. So this is the female deer, okay? So this feline is a female deer, okay, ma? Feline is the female deer and she was the friend of Bambi, okay, ma? She was the, yeah, friend of Bambi, okay? So you know Bambi is a male deer, isn't ma? Yeah, male deer. So feline, F-A-L-I-N-E, okay? Feline is a female deer and she was the friend of Bambi, okay? So Bambi have only one companion, okay? So that companion name is only feline, F-A-L-I-N-E, feline, okay? Have you understood the 2 characters? Okay, next, third character. Third character is old stag, okay? Old stag. So this old stag is also one of the deer. It is the oldest male deer, okay, ma? Oldest male deer, okay? So in this story there were 2 male deer, okay? One is Bambi. Bambi is also one of the male deer and old stag means, so old stag is the oldest male deer. That means it is some of oldest. So this Bambi is a very young deer, okay? Very adult deer, okay? So this is one of the 3 important character, okay? One of the 3 important character. So another one minor character is there, okay? So this was one of the man, okay? Just, okay, in the story, just mentioned as a man, okay? So man. So this one minor character, when I am explaining story, you will be able to understand, okay, ma? So three main important characters. The first character is, yeah, Bambi, B-A-M-B-I, Bambi. So he was a hero of a story and he was one of the roe deer, R-O-E, roe, D-E-E-R, okay, deer. And the second character is feline, F-A-L-I-N-E, feline. She was a female deer and she was the friend of Bambi, okay. She was the female deer and she was the friend of Bambi, okay. Next, third character is old stag. Old stag, okay. So old stag means, stag is one of the oldest male deer, okay. One of the oldest male deer. And another one minor character, Just it was mentioned as man in the story. Okay. So when we are going through the story, we can understand who is this man. Okay, ma. So have you understood? Okay. So if you want anything to copy, please copy it in a homework booklet. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding today's portion, you can ask in the interactive section. Okay. You can ask your doubt in the interactive section. Okay, ma. Okay, so we can once again we can go through today's portion. So from New Pathway, lesson 2. So what is the title of the lesson? Yeah, Bambi. Bambi is the title of the lesson. The author of the lesson is Felix Salten. Felix Salten. So this Felix Salten was an Australian novelist and a journalist. Okay. So he was born on September 6, 1864. So one of his famous work is Bambi. So this Bambi is about the story of a wild deer. Okay, so this Bambi is about the story of a wild deer. Next, character list. Okay, there were 3 important characters in the story. The first is Bambi, B-A-M-B-I, Bambi. So he was a hero of the story and he was one of the roe deer. Okay, R-O-E, roe, D-E-E-R, deer. And the second character is feline, F-A-L-I-N-E, feline. So she was a female deer and she was one of the friend of Bambi. Have you understood? Okay. And the third character is Old Stag. Old Stag. Okay, so it was the oldest male deer. Okay, so there is one of the minor character. So he was a man. Okay, the story is mentioned as he was a man. So who is this man? We can see in this story. Okay, ma, have you understood? Okay, so you copy it in a homework note. What and all you want to take it on? You take it in a homework note. Okay, English homework note. So students, have you started to write your cashew writings? Handwriting, cashew writing books. Have you started to write? Okay, so in this week, please start to write your cashew writings. Okay, please finish one page, the first page from your cashew writing, and coming Saturday, please come and get correction from me. Okay, ma? Don't forget, please, take your cashew writing book and please complete the first page. Come on the Saturday, coming Saturday, come and get correction. Okay? Okay, ma? So hereafter in the interactive section, please keep your 4 books with you. 4 books means New Pathway, Echo, Grammar, Cashew writing book, and next your booklets, 2 booklets, homework booklet and your class work booklet. I will ask you, okay, I will call one student's name and will ask you to show every book. Okay, so please keep your English books with you in the interactive section. Okay, ma? So those who didn't get your books from the school, please get it soon and please ready in the interactive class. Okay? Okay. So don't forget to write your cashew writings. Okay, ma? Okay. So today shall we enter our class? Yes? Okay. So we can enter class. Be happy and be safe with your family. Okay, students? Okay. Thank you, students.